Top 5 expense tracker apps for better spending habits.
Keeping track of your spending is key to building healthy financial habits. Today, we'll highlight 5 of the best expense tracker apps designed to help you monitor and control your finances more effectively. Whether you're a budgeting beginner or a savvy saver, these tools can simplify managing your money and help you reach your goals.
1. Mint.
Mint is one of the most popular budgeting and expense tracking apps available. It automatically syncs with your bank accounts, credit cards, and bills to categorize and track your spending. Custom budgets, alerts, and spending insights make it easier to stay on top of your financial goals and avoid overspending.
2. YNAB. You need a budget.
YNAB offers a unique approach to budgeting by helping you give every dollar a job. This app focuses on proactive planning, teaching you to track expenses, plan for future spending, and break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Detailed reports and educational resources make it a favorite among users serious about changing their habits.
3. PocketGuard.
PocketGuard simplifies expense tracking by showing you exactly how much money you have available to spend. With its In My Pocket feature, it calculates your spending after bills, savings, and goals. Simple graphs and automatic categorization make it a great choice for those who want quick, actionable insights.
4. Goodbudget.
Goodbudget uses the classic envelope budgeting method in a modern digital way. You can divide your income into virtual envelopes for different spending categories, making it easy to control costs and plan ahead. Goodbudget is ideal for individuals or families who want a simple, hands-on approach without linking to accounts.
5. Expensify.
Expensify is designed for both personal use and business expenses. It lets you scan receipts, track mileage, and generate detailed expense reports. Though popular among business travelers, anyone can use it to organize day-to-day spending and stay accountable. Expensify's smart scanning and exporting features save time and reduce stress.
Choosing the best app for you.
Selecting the right expense tracker depends on your financial goals and preferences. Look for apps that fit your lifestyle, offer intuitive features, and provide the right balance of automation and control. With these top 5 choices, you can begin tracking your expenses, gaining insight, and working towards better financial habits today.